Good evening, everyone. Let's start the session with our school song.
It all just feels like a dream to me, to find a school so true. And I know it's all in make-believe when I picture a school like you. The one thing that I learned from you is that I can make my dreams come true. Someday when I wake up to find memories of Billabong in my mind, imagine how that could be. Imagine how that could be. T for teamwork, E for empowerment, and for mutual respect. B for passion, I for integrity, A for accountability. Billabong High, Billabong High, Billabong High, you know you can fly. Billabong High, you can touch the sky. Billabong High, Billabong High. We have aspiration over ambition. In our minds we have rhythm, courage and humanity. What makes us Billabong High is we believe we can touch the sky. Billabong High, Billabong High, Billabong High, you know you can fly. Billabong High, you can touch the sky. Billabong High, Billabong High, Billabong High, you know you can fly. Billabong High, touch the sky.
A very good evening to everyone. I, Anand Jacodia from grade 8,
And I, Anna Daruka from grade 8,
welcome you all on the digital platform of Billabong Inspires Talk Series.
on behalf of Billabong High International School, we would like to thank all our parents for their support and work towards our school.
Billabong Inspires Talk Series initiative will bring together working parents from various fields of expertise. They will share their life experiences, which will help motivate and inspire the students towards achieving their goals.
PHI strongly believes in the core values which inform your thoughts, decisions, and actions and help you align your career or life path to what's important to you. They are the essential foundation in finding your life purpose because they remind us and others who we truly are.
BHI's core values are diligence, hardworking, persistence, resilience, service, generosity, enterprise or charity, leadership, stewardship, compassion, kind, empathetic, humble, resourcefulness, creative, risk taker, dynamic, outward looking, commitment to a large community, a family, a belief system, cultural models, sustainability, environment, and integrity. Honest, trustworthy, modest, and respectful.
Billabong Inspires Talk Series is all geared up today for an interesting and enlightening session with our speaker, Mr. Kumar Rishabh Giriraj, who will be taking us through his life journey.
Mr. Kumar Rishabh Giriraj was born and brought up in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. He completed his graduation in 2009 and started his banking career in 2010. He is a certified associate of the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance and a diploma holder in software development from NIIT Bhopal.
He started his career at the age of 22 with the State Bank of India as an assistant. Later in 2021, he cleared IBPS POI and joined Cooperation Bank. After 2 years, he cleared RBI assistant exam and joined RBI at Bhopal Regional Office. In August 2017, he got promoted as an assistant manager, and in September, he got transferred to Kanpur.
Now, without much ado, we would like to welcome our guest speaker for the day, Mr. Kumar Rishabh Giriraj.
Thank you to both Anya I want to thank the entire management of the Billabong School for inviting me. I'm really very excited and I'm very happy today to be here with you all. I can see many happy and excited faces on my screen and I'm looking forward for this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
So we have got so inspired from your journey, and we both have got so motivated to see your commitment towards your work.
We would like to ask a few questions related to your journey and to your work. Also, students can ask their questions by writing in the chat.
So firstly, I would like to ask, what made you choose banking as your career and who inspired you for this?
See, I belong to a banker's family. My most of the family members, my father, my aunt, my paternal uncle, they all are bankers. So the banking comes naturally to me. I was always inclined towards it. I used to go to the banks with my grandfather, and I help him out with the banking needs. I help him in the transactions. There I found that many people of his age were not able to do the banking. They have problem in entering the vouchers. They have problem in where to get the prints. And this all I wanted to make a change in this. So when I got an opportunity, I chose this as my career. Because if you want to change something, if you want to bring out changes in any of the field, you have to be a part of it. Then after 12th, actually, this all started, and I was good in studies. Everything was going well, but suddenly I realized that I don't want to do engineering and all. So even after clearing the state engineering entrance test and AIEEE, I asked my father that I want to do something else. And he asked me that what you want. So I told that I want to join bank. At that time, he just told me, do whatever you want, follow your passion, follow your dreams, no problem, we have with that. But he told me that if you are going to the banking institutes, if you are going for a banking job, you just make sure that you go to the Reserve Bank of India. So this is how it all started, and I joined banking. I cleared the exams. With time, I gradually grown up in different organization. I worked in different capacity, and today I am in the Reserve Bank of India. That's it. And if you ask about my inspiration, my father is my biggest inspiration. He was there with me when I said, no, I don't want to do engineering. I don't want to do this. He was always there, my family, my everybody. But if I'll have to say, my father is my biggest inspiration.
Thank you, sir. And how did you plan the steps to get into the career you wanted? Please tell us about your career path.
As I told you, that the banking, I was very much inclined toward the banking, being in the banking environment for the majority of my time. I used to see what my these checks, the RTGS, NEFT, all these things my father and my aunts used to talk. So I wanted to do that. So after 12th, I decided that I will give this exam. At that time, after 12th, we can give this exam. So I started preparing for this. Within a very short period, I was able to clear my first exam. So this gave me a lots of confidence. And with that, as soon as I completed my degree, that graduation, I got the opportunity in State Bank of India as an assistant. But then I don't stop over there. I kept on my studies. I kept studying hard, and then I got the opportunity to work in Corporation Bank as a PO. At that time, I cleared, that was PO1. And that time banks used to call us. I cleared all the exams. All the 16 banks were calling me. So that was a great thing. And then, but as I told my father that I have to go to RBI, that you have to reach RBI. So I kept on preparing for the Reserve Bank of India. And luckily, by the God's grace, I was able to clear the assistant exam. And then from the internal promotions, I have reached this point.
Thank you, sir. So what are the day-to-day responsibilities of your role looking like?
Currently, I'm working in Human Resource Management Department of the Reserve Bank at Kanpur Regional Office, and I'm looking after the pension-related works. So it basically my responsibilities includes the calculations of pensions, family pensions, the payments of pensions, and retirement-related activities majorly. But because we are in the central banking setup, we have a different setup. We'll ask about from a commercial banker point of view. The commercial banker has to play a different roles. Say somebody will be there in the cash, somebody will be handling your checks clearing system, somebody will be entering your NEFT and RTGS. These are all these things changes with the commercial bank, and being in the central bank, these two things differs.
Thank you, sir. And can you tell us why you chose Billabong for your kids?
आप सभी ने 3 Idiots मूवी देखी होगी ना? तो उसमें आमिर खान कहते हैं कि सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, खुद को इतना काबिल बनाओ कि सक्सेस आपके पास आए। तो जब मैं कानपुर आया, आई रियलाइज्ड कि कानपुर के बारे में मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा ये सुन रखा था कि यहाँ की एजुकेशन सिस्टम बहुत अच्छी है। सो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड कि अच्छा बच्चों को पढ़ने का एक अच्छा मौका मिलेगा और अच्छी चीज़ होगी। देन आई रियलाइज्ड आई फाउंड सम, आई वेंट टू द स्कूल्स, आई सर्च फॉर द करिकुलम वेयर आई फाउंड कि आपका जो स्कूल है या बिलाबोंग हाई के साथ जो है, वो आप बच्चों को सबसे आसान तरीके से, अच्छे से और क्लैरिटी के साथ पढ़ा रहे हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि आप बस वो जो हम लोग ने पढ़ाई करी थी या हमारे टाइम पे जैसा पढ़ाई था, जो आप चेंज होते जा रहा है धीरे-धीरे, वैसा सिस्टम नहीं था। इसलिए मैंने बिलाबोंग को चुना बिकॉज़ आई फाउंड बिलाबोंग्स करिकुलम एंड स्टाइल ऑफ टीचिंग द बेस्ट. These people are polishing the students from all the faces and corners. So I think wherever they will go, they will shine and success will come to them.
Thank you, sir. So what are the diploma and degrees needed for this kind of job?
Uh, Actually, you just need good marks in your 10th, 12th graduations, at least 60% to be precise, so that you can compete for all the officers level exam and all. Just a second. Other than that, nothing much. You have to give a competitive exam where your speed and accuracy will matter. You have to be very accurate and very efficient in that, because if I'll give you 3 hours, you all will score 100 out of 100. At this age also, you will be able to solve 100 or 100 out of 100. But the thing is, you have to solve that questions in 60 minutes, sometimes 80 minutes, 90 minutes. So your speed and accuracy is going to matter.
Thank you, sir. So what are the different types of banking software applications are available in this industry?
The softwares and the application which banks uses are called as core banking solution, wherein because of these core banking solutions, you are not a customer of a branch now. You're a customer of an entire bank. So this is the most important software which is being used by the banking system, the banking organization. And then there are different types of payment and settlement system. You must have heard about RTGS, NEFT. So these are all included in the CBS now. These are all included in the CBS. You have applications like UPI for payment transfer. भीम आप देखते होंगे आजकल बहुत चलता है, पेटीएम से आप ट्रांसफर करें. तो सबके अपने अपने एक एप्लीकेशन सबने धीरे-धीरे अपने टाइम के साथ बनाए हैं. But if you'll ask about a banking application as such, then core banking solution is the software जो सभी banks use करते हैं. इंडिया में मोस्टली इन्फोसिस का फिनेकल है जो यूज किया जाता है, एंड स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में जैसे बैंक्स लिंक यूज किया जाता है, जो कि टीसीएस द्वारा प्रोवाइड किया गया है.
Thank you, sir. So what do you like to do in your free time?
I'm a music enthusiast. I play piano, I play guitar, and I sing during my free time. I also do some blogging. I post the notations of these songs and all on my blog. So I just pass my time like this.
Thank you, sir. So what, in your opinion, makes a good financial model?
Good financial model is but before that, I'll just tell you brief about what is actually the financial model is. Let's see, what financial modeling is a representations in numbers of a company's operation in the past. See, so आप उससे क्या assume करते हैं? What were your past experiences? आपकी present situation क्या है? And what will be your forecast for the future? So good financial model should have good assumptions. See, and it should be very flexible, with times. See, pandemic has brought in lots of changes. Many of the companies were not ready for that, but they have to bring in. And you see, Indian economies has done a tremendous job during this pandemic era also. So that has to be flexible, and I guess it has to be easy to follow and understandable for the majority of the people of the organization.
Thank you, sir. So what advice would you offer a school student considering this as a career based on your experience?
First of all, be true to yourself, be focused, have your aim, get good marks in class 10th, 12th, and in graduations. And if you're interested in this job, if you're interested for the banking job, the competition is very fierce. You have to compete with lots of people. And as I told you, the competition is not about time. If we give us you 3 years, you all will get 100 out of 100, as I told you. But the thing is, you have to be very accurate and efficient in doing all these things. So with your graduation, start preparing the reasoning, mathematics, and my advice will be to start reading financial newspaper. This will help you in your general awareness part. And hard work and focus is the main key for anybody to success in any field. And most important thing, if I'll have to say to all the young kids aspiring to become a banker or aspiring to become whatever you want to be in your life, just this that enjoy your life. Do not take unnecessary stress. This will not going to help you at any point of time. I had some hard times. I was not able to clear the exams. The interviews not getting cleared. There were lots of processes in that, but I never stopped myself from singing. I never stopped myself from playing keyboard. I never stopped myself from playing cricket. I used to go. I used to do. And if you will realize, all these things will actually help you to concentrate more, and this will make you more focused towards your goal. So be true to yourself and focus and enjoy your life. Don't take stress. धीरे धीरे सब चीज आएगी आपको. हर एक चीज के साथ आप पहुंचेंगे. जब जैसे जैसे समय आएगा, आप उसके साथ हम आराम से कोप अप करेंगे. अगर आपका एक प्रोसेस सही और आप फोकस्ड हैं, you will definitely get the success. You need not to take lots of stress about anything.
Thank you, sir. And do you have any closing thoughts regarding this session?
I must say it was a wonderful session. But before I end up and before I say something, I just wanted to ask, I want to tell you people, the young generation, about some important things. Just if you people allow me for 5-10 minutes, I'll tell you all these things. Just wanted to know how you people save. Type in your chat box. Do people get some money? How you people save? Have you ever been to the bank? Next question. No, Anya is saying no. I can see Anya is only saying yes. Agastya is saying yes. Yes, you people have been to bank. Do you have your bank account? Obviously, those people have not gone to the bank. They must not be having. Okay, I'll ask all the parents also, जो अभी आप लोग भी सुन रहे हैं. I'll make sure कि देखिए, जो हमारी कंट्री है, अगर हम फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी की तरफ जाएं या फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी की बात करें, तो हम एजुकेशन फील्ड में या काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों में बहुत अच्छा करते हैं. बट हम अभी भी आप देखेंगे तो हमारे फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी का जो लेवल है, वो वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज या यूरोपियन कंट्रीज जो हैं, उनके मुकाबले काफ़ी कम है. मैं खुद भी अपने बच्चों को ये सिखाता हूँ या समझाता हूँ कि व्हाट बैंक इज, कैसे किया जाता है, कैसे फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं. सो आई आस्क पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, कि इनको आप थोड़ा सा बताएं, इनको बताएं कि क्या बैंक होता है, किस तरीके से आप काम करते हैं. आप एक बार एक बैंक जाके देखिए जरूर, आपको समझ में आएगा कि आपका पैसा किस तरीके से डिपॉजिट होता है. वो वहाँ एंटर होता है तो आपके अकाउंट में कितनी देर बाद आता है. क्या आप जैसी पैसा बैंक में जमा करके आते हैं कि आपके अकाउंट में आता है? नहीं आता है. उसके पीछे एक प्रोसेस होती है, वो पास होता है, चेक होता है. आप थोड़ा सा उसको देखिए. आप बच्चों को ये हैबिट डलवाइए कि वो ये सब चीज़ें जाने. और सबसे पहले आप सब लोग को पॉकेट मनी मिलती है, आप लोगों को पैसे मिलते हैं कभी कभार थोड़े बहुत. यू ओपन अकाउंट, इनका एक अकाउंट खोलिए. हर बैंक में आप माइनर्स के लिए अकाउंट फैसिलिटी अब दे दी गई है, आप उसमें खोलिए. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ भी इसके बारे में प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की वेबसाइट www.rbi.org.in पर जाइए. आप सीखिए. क्या आप में से कितने लोग अभी यहाँ जानते हैं कि बैंकिंग ऑम्बुड्समैन स्कीम क्या होती है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की? कोई भी, anybody can mute and answer. Raise your hand if you have problem. Anya will unmute you. Anya herself is saying I don't know. It's okay बेटा. The thing is, आपके जैसे अब कोई बैंक में आपसे कुछ गलती हो जाती है या कुछ ऐसा होता है जिसमें आपके ग्रीवेंस, अगर आपका ऐसा कोई ग्रीवेंस है तो आप आरबीआई में आप कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं बैंकिंग के सर. आप बैंकिंग के पास जा सकते हैं, वहाँ पे बैंकिंग ऑम्बुड्समैन होते हैं जिनको बैंकिंग लोकपाल कहा जाता है. आप उनके पास अपनी कंप्लेंट लिख सकते हैं. इवन आप अगर आप धीरे धीरे इस चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट लेंगे तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. जैसे कि अगर आपके साथ कोई गलत ट्रांजेक्शन हो जाता है, ओटीपी आप गलत चले जाता है, आप किसी को गलत आपके ट्रांजेक्शन होता है, तो यू नो आरबीआई जीरो लाइबिलिटी प्रोसेस. आपके अकाउंट में अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है तो आप जितनी जल्दी हमें इन्फॉर्म करेंगे, जितनी जल्दी आप बैंक को इन्फॉर्म करेंगे, उतना आप इन ट्रांजेक्शन जो फ्रॉड हुआ उससे बच सकते हैं. आपको बैंक से पैसा वापस भी मिल सकता है. बस बशर्ते कि आपने अपने पासवर्ड्स को किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं किया गया हो। तो आप अपनी इन स्कीम्स के बारे में जानिए, थोड़ा-थोड़ा जानिए। अगर आपको कभी भी कुछ लगता है, यू पीपल आर ऑलवेज वेलकम टू द रिजर्व बैंक। हमारे पास आपको सिखाने के लिए पूरा डिपार्टमेंट है। आप अगर कभी भी पूछना चाहेंगे, तो आप सबको बताया जा सकता है। लेकिन उसके लिए सबसे पहले आप लोग एक अकाउंट कम से कम अपना शुरू करिए। उसमें कोई मिनिमम बैलेंस चार्जेस नहीं होते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द बैंक्स में। आप अपना एक अकाउंट खोलिए, उसमें आप अपनी थोड़ी-थोड़ी सेविंग कीजिए, जिससे आपको समझ में आए, जब आप भविष्य में आगे बढ़ें, तो आपको समझ में आए कि एनईएफटी कैसे किया था, आरटीजीएस कैसे होता है, यूपीआई क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हम इतने चेंजेस ला रहे हैं। एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट आप लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि देखिए व्हाटएवर द आरबीआई इज डूइंग, व्हाटएवर द गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग फॉर यू, द नेक्स्ट जेन जो आप लोग हैं वो इन सब चीज़ों को कंज्यूम करेंगे। तो जब तक आप इसके लिए यूजर फ्रेंडली नहीं होंगे, आप इसके लिए रेडी नहीं होंगे, तब तक ये आपके लिए उतना जो हम चाहते हैं वो एंड रिजल्ट्स हमें वैसे नहीं मिलेंगे। सो माय एडवाइस इज गो टू अ बैंक, visit a bank, open an account. If you have any problem, you can always come to our Reserve Bank of India. We'll be there for each and every individual of this nation. So I'm very much proud that my organization is working towards the financial literacy and financial education. So this, I just wanted to tell you all these things. And regarding the session, it was a wonderful session. I am very much thankful to the Billabong School for providing me this platform. I really had a good time interacting with you. Your questions were very nice. I wish you all the success and may you do good in whatever field you like.
Thank you so much. So now we would like to read the chat box questions.
Now we'll read some questions from the chat box. So Vaishnavi Singh asks that what is your current goal that you want to accomplish?
Current goal. Actually, see, we have the internal promotion process and I am eligible for the one. I have already given my interviews. I'm waiting for the result. And if everything goes well, I'll be going up in the ladder. And this is actually the present, this is presently my goal towards my professional life.
And so Agastya Saha asked that, do our RBI Kanpur HRD practice KIJEM?
Really, I don't understand what is KIEGM.
Okay, Agastya, you can make your question a little clearer. And so Saira asked that, what is the recruitment process of RBI?
See, again, go to www.rbi.org.in. There you have opportunities page. Go to the opportunities link. You are you will be redirected to our recruitment page. There, every year we have, nowadays we have every year we have this what you call recruitment cycle for grade Bs, for assistant, for class 4 employees, for security guards. Everything will be there in will be there at our website. You can go and check, and whatever you are, whatever, if anybody is eligible, obviously you people are not eligible right now. If anybody is eligible, you can tell him to join.
So my question is that, what financial mistakes should one refrain from making?
Financial mistakes. Okay. See, never put your eggs in one basket. Okay, ये आपके लिए एक risky काम होगा. Try and use different types of products. If you'll ask about the financial planning, there are lots of different products. You have saving accounts for your general saving. You have term deposit for fixing of deposit for the longer period. Even you can go for the equity market, share market. You can go for mutual funds. You have to diversify your investment, the first and foremost. And if you are taking a credit from any bank, then make sure to repay it at the earliest as possible, because the interest on interest keeps on, it's a recurring thing. So you have to avoid that. And for the financial point of view, put your eggs in different basket. That will be great.
Thank you, sir. So there was another question, that how to manage debt and boost your credit score.
This is good. This is what I was telling to the Anya also. See, if you have taken a loan from that is known as debt. If you have taken a loan and all, try to repay. If you'll repay it on time, your credit score will definitely start boosting up. And if you default in any payment, that goes down very rapidly. So you need to it takes time to build your credit score. So you have to be very careful if you are taking any loan. Try to repay it on time, because these all things are being watched by the regulators, supervisors, and everyone, and in fact your bank also. And this might affect your credit score very badly if you don't repay. So just make sure that whatever loan you are taking, the EMIs are all you are all comfortable with. Have a good projection for the next whatever the period for the term you are taking the loan. This will definitely help you boost your credit score.
So there
Thank
was
you, sir.
another question by Saira. So looking at the current scenario, like cooperative banks recently did with their customers, how to trust private sector banks now?
See, what I actually you want to know about the cooperative, what cooperative bank recently did. If you can ask, if you can tell about this, what cooperative, what is the exact question? See, you few people are talking about the PMC bank. See, RBI is there. We are investigating the case, and sooner or later the bank is going to be get revived. Actually I cannot tell you more about these things. But if that question is particularly about the PMC bank, the action is being taken. So see, once in 1,000 there is a probability of a loss. There are probability we are in a means in the financial system the risk always prevails, you know. So chances हैं कि कोई बैंक सही नहीं करता है, but I can make sure one thing, that the Reserve Bank of India is meticulously working, and the inspections and all are being carried over all the banking and the financial systems here. For the banking point of view, the Reserve Bank of India is taking care for the other financial institutions. There are other regulators and supervisors who are actually taking care of each and everything. So we need not to worry about all these things. The banking system in India is very sound and safe.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from Shailendra, sir. He asked that can educational trips be taken, like can be organized RBI? Can students be taken?
Sir, actually, right now, none of these things, no such thing has happened in Reserve Bank of India right now. Since last 4 years, I have been seeing that. But if you people want, you can definitely come to our office. We'll have a meeting with our seniors, and we can make, if it is possible, we can do it. You have to come once and then have to be, because there are lots of security concern and all in the banking. You cannot directly come. We have to look out for various aspects. But if it's possible, we'll definitely let you come.
Thank you, sir. So there was another question, that what are the things that you have to keep in concern before opening a bank account?
Before opening a bank account, Anya, please repeat the question. Is they asking about the documents or what?
Yes, so the question is, what are the things that you have to keep in concern before opening the bank account?
Before opening the bank account, if you are going to open a bank account, not much. See, जब तक आपका पैसा आप है आपके पास, आपको ज्यादा किसी चीज की कंसर्न होने की जरूरत नहीं है। पहली बार, आप लोगों को शायद नहीं पता होगा कि या आपने पढ़ा भी होगा कि DICGC का एक प्रोटेक्शन होता है आपके सेविंग फंड्स पे। जो आपका डिपॉजिट आप रखते हैं, उसमें 5 लाख रुपए तक का जो आपका फंड होता है वो सेव होता है RBI की तरफ से। DICGC RBI की एक सब्सिडरी है, जिसमें अगर कोई बैंक में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, या वो लिक्विडेशन होता है, या उसका एमलगेमेशन की सिचुएशन अराइज होती है, तो आपका पैसा सेफ है, सॉरी। तो आपके पास, आपको एज सच इतना सेविंग अकाउंट्स या उस पर लेके के लिए कोई आपको परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है। आपका पैसा रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के कई गाइडलाइंस के तहत बहुत सेफ है। इंडिया के बैंकिंग सिस्टम्स को अगर आप वर्ल्ड के बैंकिंग सिस्टम के साथ कंपेयर किया जाए, तो RBI ने इसको स्ट्रिक्ट बनाने के लिए या अपने लॉज को फॉलो कराने के लिए हर एक चीज से बैंक से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा करवा रहे हैं हम, ताकि आपका जो हमारा बैंकिंग सिस्टम है, क्योंकि अगर आप इंडिया को देखेंगे तो हमारी इकोनॉमी में बैंक्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं। उसको देखते हुए RBI के स्ट्रिक्ट दिशा निर्देश हैं इसमें, तो आपको सेविंग अकाउंट खोलते वक्त तो किसी प्रकार की कोई चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
Another question is that how would you define being financially literate? What does that term encompass for a college student?
Sorry, last line.
What does the term financially literate encompass for a college student?
See, financially literate, this is a very huge term, but if you'll make it मतलब आसान शब्दों में, आपको आपकी फाइनेंशियल राइट्स के बारे में पता होना चाहिए कि आपको क्या सर्विसेज मिलनी है, क्या आपको मिल रही है, वो सही है कि नहीं, अगर उनमें कोई कमी है तो आप उसके लिए बोल सकें, आप उसको, ऐसे व्यक्ति को हम फाइनेंशियली लिटरेट बोलेंगे। दूसरा, वो फाइनेंशियली सिस्टम का पार्ट है, जो फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम हमने बनाया है उसका पार्ट है, और वो उसके बारे में जानकारी रखता है, और हम उसको अगर जैसे कोई डेफिशिएंसी, जैसे मैंने आपसे ओम्बड्समैन की बात करी, आपको पता ही नहीं है, लेकिन वो आपका राइट है, आपके साथ कुछ गलत हुआ, आपके साथ राइट है, आपने किसी ने आपका गलत तरीके से ट्रांजेक्शन किया, वो आपको नहीं है, तो ऑल्दो आप फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम में है, बट आपको फाइनेंशियली लिटरेसी नहीं है, आपको पता ही नहीं है कि अगर ऐसा हो जाए तो क्या करें। तो ऐसे व्यक्ति को हम फाइनेंशियली लिटरेट कहेंगे, जिसको ये भी पता है कि मेरे साथ क्या राइट्स हैं और मैं क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ।
Thank you, sir. So there was another question from Vedant Jha. He was asking, what is financial inclusion?
वेदांग, फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन है, देखिए, अभी भी इंडिया के गांव में, या हम चाहें तो ऐसी जगह जहाँ हैं जो बैंकिंग या फाइनेंशियल, आप बैंकिंग समझ रहे हैं, बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल मार्केट या फाइनेंशियल वर्ल्ड का एक छोटा एक पार्ट है, सब फाइनेंशियल सब मिलके बनाते हैं। तो ऐसी फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन है कि हम ऐसी जगहों को भी बैंकिंग चैनल या फाइनेंशियल चैनल से जोड़ें, जहाँ पे उनको बेसिक आपको छोटे उसमें करते हैं जो उनको बेसिक बैंकिंग नीड्स हैं, वह भी उनको वहां तक पहुंच सके, या लास्ट मैन, इंडिया का जो लास्ट मैन है, उसको भी हम उसको बैंकिंग सुविधाएं पहुंचा सकें। देखिए, अगर हम वहां पे फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन होगा, अगर वो हमारे बैंकिंग चैनल के पार्ट होंगे, तो अभी आपने सुना होगा जन धन योजना के बारे में, आपने कहा होगा, तो वो प्रधानमंत्री जी की एक बहुत बढ़िया पहल थी, जिसमें हमने सभी को बैंकिंग अकाउंट खोल के दिए थे। क्यों ये इंपॉर्टेंट है क्या? ताकि जब हम डीबीटी या डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ट्रांसफर करते हैं तो सीधे उनके खाते में पहुंचे, लोगों के पास उनका जो हक का पैसा है, जो उनको मिलना चाहिए, वो सही तरीके से। अगर हम इस चैनल में सभी को लेते हैं, सबको हम एक जैसे फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट की बात हो रही है, तो हमको पेंशन मुहैया करा सकते हैं। सी, एग्रीकल्चरल्स के थ्रू, या जो हमारा करते हैं, जो एग्रीकल्चर के थ्रू जो रोजी रोटी हमारी कमा रहे हैं, हमारे किसान हैं, उनके पास ये पेंशन की सुविधा और या उनके पास टर्म इंश्योरेंस की सुविधा नहीं है, बट हम उनको ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पहुंचा सकें, तो उसके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एक बैंकिंग चैनल का होना। तो अगर हम उस बैंकिंग चैनल के साथ सबको एक साथ इंक्लूड करेंगे, तो दैट इज बेसिकली नोन एज फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन।
Thank you. And sir, another question from Agastya Saha is that does our RBI Kanpur HRD practice Kaizen, which means continuous improvement?
Yes, definitely. We are continuous improvement is there in our organization. इवन आप अगर आप आरबीआई की कुछ पॉलिसीज या हमारी वेबसाइट को आप विजिट करेंगे, जो कि मैं आप सबसे चाहूंगा कि आप थोड़ा थोड़ा विजिट करें। ऑब्वियसली आपको थोड़ा सा शायद शुरुआत में इतना समझ में नहीं आएगा या कुछ नहीं होगा, लेकिन आप उसको थोड़ा टाइम निकालिए, उस शब्द का गूगल करिए। अच्छा, इकोनॉमिक्स की या इस मार्केट की बहुत खास बात है, बहुत बड़े बड़े शब्द लिख देते हैं, बस उसका अर्थ बहुत छोटा निकलता है, बहुत ईजिली आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, तो इतना मुश्किल नहीं होता है। तो आप देखेंगे कि हम हर चीज में कंटिन्यूसली, इवन हम आप कुछ पॉलिसीज पे या जो होता है उस पर हम जनता की राय भी मांगते हैं। इवन यू कैन से कि ये गलत है या सही है, इस पर हमें करना चाहिए नहीं। तो देयर इज अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस गोइंग ऑन इन आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एट एवरी लेवल।
Thank you, sir. There don't seem to be more questions. If anyone has any questions, you can type in right now. So now it's time for some. Okay, there's another question. What are the different types of loans offered by commercial banks?
There are various types of loans. If you'll just ask, there are MSME loan, there's housing loan, there's personal loan. Basically, what is your need? If you want to purchase a house, there is a home loan, there is a vehicle loan, there is loan for the business purposes also. So there are lots of types of loans available to you from the commercial banks.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now it's time for some fun elements. It's quiz time. Students will get 10 seconds for each question and they are requested to write their answers in the chat box. The first question is, bank does not give loan against dash. And your options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct answer is option C, lottery ticket, answered by Vedant Jha. The next question
Your
is,
next question is ATM means dash, and the options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct option is C, automated teller machine.
answered by Vedant Jha. The third question is, who can open bank accounts? And your options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct option is option A, Indian citizen, answered by Mahima Francis.
Next question is ATM can be used for dash, and the options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct option is D, all of the above. It is answered by Sakshima Fatima.
Next question is, internet banking refers to dash. And your options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct answer is option A, operation of accounts through internet, answered by Vedant Jha.
The next question is bank provides loans for dash. The options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct option is D, all of the above. It is answered by Vedant Jha.
Next question, the safest place for keeping money is, and your options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct answer is option C, bank, answered by Renisha.
The next question is KYC means dash. The options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct option is B, know your customer. It is answered by Vedant Jha.
Next question, 100 rupee note is signed by dash. And your options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct answer is option C, RBI governor, answered by Mahima Francis.
The next question is who is the present governor of RBI? The options are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
the correct option is D, Shaktikanta Das. It is answered by Vedang Jha. Congratulations to all the winners. Please give clap reactions to all the participants.
Thank you so much, sir. We have got so inspired to see your passion towards your work. And I'm sure everyone must have been amazed to get to know more about your inspiring journey.
A heartfelt gratitude to our founder and CEO, Mrs. Preeti Agarwal, for initiating such talks, which kindles in us the curiosity to explore more. We convey our heartfelt gratitude to our speaker, Mr. Kumar Rishabh Giriraj, for the dynamic talk.
Your feedbacks and suggestions is most important to us for raising the bar all the time. WhatsApp class group will remain open till 5:30 p.m. Parents and students are requested to share their feedback and suggestions in the class.
Thank you so much, everyone, to be part of this Billabong.
Thank you so much, everyone, to be a part of this evening. We shall meet next week on 23rd October 2021 at the same time with our next guest speaker, Mr. Abdul Kabir.
Thank you.
Thank you.